What is crypto trading? Intro: Have you ever wondered how people make money with Bitcoin or other digital coins? Welcome to the world of crypto trading, a fast-growing way of earning, investing, and sometimes losing money if you're not careful. But don't worry, today I'll explain everything in simple terms. What is crypto trading? Crypto trading means buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many others. Just like the stock market, you try to buy when the price is low, and sell when the price goes high. The goal is to make a profit from price movements. Unlike traditional markets, crypto trading happens 24/7, there's no opening or closing time. How does it work? To start trading, you need a crypto exchange, like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin, a wallet to store your coins. And most importantly, some knowledge or strategy. You can trade manually, or use bots to automate your trades. Types of crypto trading. There are different styles of crypto trading. 1. Day trading, buying and selling within the same day to earn small but quick profits. 2. Swing trading, holding for a few days or weeks based on market trends. 3. Scalping, ultra short-term trading, sometimes just minutes. 4. Hodling, long-term investing, holding crypto for months or years. Each method has different levels of risk and reward. Why is it so popular? Crypto trading is popular because it's decentralized, no banks or middlemen. It's accessible, all you need is internet and a smartphone. It's volatile, which means higher risk, but also higher potential reward. People made millions during crypto bull runs. But many also lost big during crashes. Risks and warnings: crypto is not a guaranteed way to get rich. Many traders lose money due to lack of knowledge, emotional trading, and FOMO, fear of missing out, falling for scams or pump and dump schemes. That's why it's important to start small. Use stop loss. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Tips for beginners: if you're new to crypto trading, learn the basics of blockchain. Watch the market before jumping in. Try demo trading first. Follow trusted news sources. And remember, don't follow hype, follow knowledge. Outro: So, that's what crypto trading is all about. Exciting, risky, and full of opportunity, but only if you stay smart. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns on crypto and finance.